Dun, clap. Okay, we're gonna have to work on that. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Healthier Home Live. I am Jen. This is Ken, and we cannot clap in a high five.
I gotta come over further, I guess. I gotta turn my hand. Yeah, there we go. So it's that.
Go. There it is.
It's hard to do. 2 cameras, remote.
For remote, but we're here for you today, bringing you all the great cleaning advice from Ken. He's an expert on the science of cleaning products. And today we are talking about saving time and money, as you can say, doing something that we all love. What is it, Ken?
How can you save time and money with laundry? How?
Seriously, because it takes up our entire lives, Ken.
It sure seems like it, doesn't it? But I'm going to show you, I promise, I'm going to show you some cool benefits of this unbelievable product. I mean, it's I just love it. It's everything and more I imagined as we were developing.
I love how much you love it. And Best, our producer, just said she hates doing laundry, and then she says not love. So I don't know if she was saying not and she loves it, if she actually hates it, or if she was saying she does not love it.
Well, the other side, people used to say, I love laundry, not.
Yeah, well,
that was kind of like a little modifier at the end. But
apparently,
I think she was being straight up, saying she doesn't like it. But I'm going to show you, you can actually at least like it. And I'm going to give you a couple good reasons why. So we get into this dynamic of playing. So we're going to do it again, because I'm going to show you how we can make powerful cleaning in cold and quick wash cycles. And so I'm just going to start. I'm going to be the husband in this little give and take.
All right.
So
I'll be the husband. Drop into character.
I'm going to say, God, honey, look at these outrageous energy bills.
We should switch to HHP laundry packs.
You know what? That's why you're the bestest wifest in the world.
I think I could have been happier. I think I needed to do a happier read, because this is actually a happy discovery, these laundry packs.
Maybe an
like, we should switch to HHP laundry packs.
Oh, so much better. Oh. I love it. Applause coming through this.
Well, why should we switch, Ken? What is so great about these packs?
Because we're going to move down. I mean, ultimately, it does. It costs a lot of money. I mean, I just got my electric bill and I was just stunned. I mean, I'm just looking at this thing, $200. And it just seems like it goes up and up and up. It's kind of like the cable bill, it just keeps going up and up and up.
Yeah.
But there's things you can do to address it. And while you're addressing that bill, you can actually address your time too and save time along the way with this very product. So as you remember last week, and actually the last several weeks, we've been talking about some of the hidden crazy benefits of this product with microplasticizing and reductions in plastics going to go to the ocean from our clothes. And those types of things. But we all know, Jen, we all know this is the no BS channel today. We all know what's king. What is king with laundry?
Cleaning.
Cleaning is king. Boom. Boom. The hammer just got dropped.
It has to work, right? It can do all these great things for the environment, and we love that part, but it also has to work.
Yeah, absolutely. And so we went into that in last week or so, and we talked about how clean is clean. And sometimes it's hard to tell because you might look at a towel that you washed and you say, yeah, it looks clean. But when you put it up in the lab like we do, when we do our cleaning efficacy tests, you'll see graying, or you'll see that it's really not as clean. So you really got to get to the bottom line of what's a clean product, what's really an effective cleaning product. And we did that. This was our show last week. On the next slide, we were showing how the cleaning efficacy of the product was compared against, keep going, you're doing good, was compared against national brands in topsoil, dirty motor oil, clay, tea, and coffee. Very, very likely stains in your laundry that'll exist. And we see just across the board, we've got better cleaning efficacy in this package. The HHP laundry pack wants for nothing with the powerful cleaning that's within it. But that wasn't enough, Jen. It wasn't enough.
It wasn't enough. We need more proof as to why we should use this product.
We need actually more fun, more benefit, you name it. So we're going to peel that onion back a little deeper. Oh yeah, and actually when we did this, I forgot. When I was showing this, I noticed that my son's shower curtain had quite a bit of hard water stain, soap scum on there, and it's just a gnarly thing. So we took that sucker and we threw it in that wash on a quick wash cycle, 15 minutes. You could see it sudsing up in that third picture. And then look back on that fourth picture. It looks like a brand new shower curtain.
It really does.
I think Bess even has a secret for us, or a treat. She could show us a video on that.
Oh my gosh, so satisfying.
Shower curtains, soap scum, hard water stains building up pretty heavy. So we've got a short wash cycle, we've got a cold temperature, so into the laundry they go. We take up one of our pods from our Healthier Home laundry detergent, put that in the washer, close that little puppy. We'll be out in a few minutes. Just checking on our load. It's foaming up really good, and cleaning should be about another 15 minutes. So here we are back in the shower, and all the hard water stains have been released, the soap scum released, and the shower curtain looks brand spanking new again. Now that is powerful cleaning.
Okay, so that is powerful cleaning, right?
Yes.
Now, the truth, Jen, is I knew this in advance. That's why I put the cold wash and the quick wash on there. I knew what the product does ahead of time. So that was really my little tease in there, showing it on there that the cold water and the quick wash cycle was going to do it. But I'm going to show why on the next slide.
Oh my gosh, I get excited.
So, like I said, it's not enough just to have outstanding cleaning performance. What we do is show even on cold wash. This is very important to understand. We take these factors that might be ppms of calcium chloride, hardness of the water. We apply a stain to it, and we do testing and temperature. And you can see these results, these bars on the right, or columns. The first brand we washed at 20 degrees centigrade, and we achieved the 50%, or 50, it was a color meter. So it was, improvement was 50. When we increased temperature on this next wash cycle, we went up to 40 degrees centigrade, which is double, and you would expect to see better cleaning under higher temperatures. That typically what happens. But the interesting thing is on the HHP, which is the third one up here at 99, that was done at 20 degrees Celsius. That was the same as the first one you saw at 50. So it's almost double the cleaning of other brands, and it's significantly better even at twice the temperature. So you are getting an outstanding cleaning performance in cold water. It's cold.
I love that. Well, and the thing is, we're talking so much about plastic and things, and forgive me if I'm letting the cat out of the bag about something later in the slides or anything, but also using energy to heat the water, it's so much better for the environment for us to use less energy. Are we going to talk about that?
I don't even think your head can fit in the slides anymore. You just have the biggest brain imaginable. Yes, you do. All right, next slide. We're going to get to that. Yes, we are. So quick wash. It's so cold water, so the temperature gets cold. Just think about when you wash yourself, cold water, you think, it doesn't clean as well, it doesn't, but with this product, it does. So quick wash is the next thing. So we did a similar thing. You measure the performance of the product against certain parameters, and at the end of the day, I'm going to cut to this a little bit. Brand 1 and 2, these are two brands. One was washed for 20 minutes, and you can see the performance there. Actually, two brands were washed. One was 6.8, one was 6.1. Very respective cleaning patterns on a 20-minute cycle. We washed HHP in a 10-minute cycle, and you could see it was almost 3x better in a quick wash cycle. So you're getting the double whammy. It not only has great cleaning, which is great, but it does it in quick and cold wash cycles.
Yes.
That's what's incredible.
Yes.
So that wash cycle, quick wash cycles, if you've got one of those fancy, very expensive, pretty washers, that's like a 18-minute or 20-minute wash cycle versus a 45 or hour. That's a big deal with time. It's a big deal.
Yes, time is money.
And yes, so what are the benefits here? Miss Big Brain, you've already said it. Next slide.
Environmental.
Yes.
Cost effective. And
yes.
Look at this. Energy, water.
We are on a quick wash cycle. We're saving 40% less water.
Amazing.
50% less time and 60% less energy. Now, I just want to put that last one in perspective for you, because when you're talking about hot water, water's done in a hot water tank. If you ever put a pot of water on the stove and let it boil, get hot, it takes about 10, 15 minutes for the water to boil. Imagine if you got a 50-gallon tank of hot water, how long it takes that to get warm. And that's what you're using in your washer and your shower. If you could cut down on the amount of that, you're going to save an unbelievable amount of energy, which relates to money.
Yes, literally,
Which brings us
straight back
back
in
to
your pocket.
Which brings us back to our first slide. The husband and the wife don't have to have an exhaustive conversation, because we're going to allow you to save time and money with just switching to this incredible product.
I love it. Wait, we had more script. There was more script we had to read, Bess.
No, I think we're good, because this isn't really it. This is the point. Now, the point is on all this is now you can do something about it. You don't have to imagine. You don't have to sacrifice cleaning performance. This is going to provide outstanding cleaning. It's going to protect your clothes, and it's going to help save the environment. That's as simple as it is. And it does it with a savings to your budget in the way. So check out our product on healthierhomeproducts.com, and you too will be in love.
Yes, I love that. You have more time for smooching that spouse instead of sitting at a table getting upset about your bills.
You are gold. Jen, you are just gold.
Oh my gosh, Ken, it's only because you're here with me. And also Bess back there, our producer. Thank you. Look at this, healthierhomeproducts.com. Get your laundry pods. Any other words of wisdom before we go, Ken?
There is a deal coming on the website with these things. Yeah, you might see a buy one, get one offer on the website. So I would encourage everybody, make your way over. It ain't going to last forever.
That's right. I love it. Well, thank you, Ken, and we'll see you next week for some more great cleaning tips. Bye.